Hey friends! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy DIY high-low circle skirt. Let's get started. For this skirt, I have folded in half my fabric the wide way with the selvages on the left and right of the table. And I am going to take my measuring tape and measure out my waist measurement. And I'm just using a circle skirt formula. And the formula is my waist measurement plus 1 inch for seam allowance divided by 6.28. Waist measurement plus 1 inch divided by 6.28. And then I am going to cut that out on a curve. So that's what I did with the measuring tape. And now I'm just measuring down to my side seam, how long I want my side seam to be, and then how long I want my back of the skirt to be. So since it's the back piece, it is folded in half, so the side seam is on the left of the table and the back of the skirt is at the bottom right of the table. And I am just taking my measuring tape and I'm measuring from the bottom of where I want my skirt to stop all the way up, and I'm swinging my scissors on a curve to meet up at the side seam. So I did not measure that curve, I just cut it out after I marked it with my marking chalk. Now I'm going to take that back piece and I'm going to use it as a pattern to cut out the waist measurement for the front piece. So I'm only using it to cut out the front waist measurement. So that small circle at the top. And now that I've removed it, I am going to measure out how long I want the front of the skirt to be. And I am using my measuring tape and I am curving it all the way around at that measuring point so that it'll be even. And I'm going to cut that piece out. So now I'm going to cut out my waistband. Now my waistband is going to be my waist measurement plus 1 inch for seam allowance, and so that I can add a zipper. And I am making it 10 inches tall so that I can fold it in half and have a really wide waistband. So you can make it however tall you want. Just remember that you have to fold it in half, so double whatever measurement you want your actual waistband to be. So it's my waist measurement plus the 1 inch for the seam allowance in the zipper by however tall times 2. And I'm going to open that up and fold it in half the long way, and I'm going to sew down those raw edges. Now I'm going to take my back piece and I am going to place my front piece on top of it and join it together on one side. So those are the side seams. Those short edges are the side seams. I'm going to pin it up and I'm going to sew down that edge only on one side. Now that it's joined together, I am going to attach my waistband. Now I am facing the edge that I sewn on the waistband. It is facing up to the top of the waistband, to the top of the skirt, and the folded edge is facing the bottom of the skirt. And I am just pinning across like a straight line. I sew down that edge, and now it's time to close up the other side. So I am folding it back, right sides together, and starting from the bottom of the side seam, I'm going to place pins, and I'm only going to go part of the way up because I am going to leave an opening for my zipper. So I'm going to stitch up that side, but before I start to stitch, I am going to measure the opening for my zipper. So I'm placing the edge of the zipper teeth right at the top of the waistband, and then I'm going to place a pin at the very bottom of the zipper, the metal part. And that's where I want my sewing to stop. So that's the part that I'm going to close up. And I'm going to leave that much open to insert the zipper. So now that I have it sewn up, I'm going to unzip the zipper. And the zipper is face up. But I am going to turn the teeth face down on the waistband and pin it to the side of the skirt. So that once it's sewn in, I can turn it to the inside of the skirt and top stitch it down. Be sure to tuck in those raw edges at the top of the zipper. Fold those down and sew them down to the skirt as well. Pin the zipper to the raw edges of the skirt. And I'm going to demonstrate one more time. The teeth of the zipper are facing the skirt. So it's kind of like it's upside down. So once I sew down the zipper as close to the teeth as possible, I'll be able to turn it inside and top stitch. And the only thing that will be showing are the zipper teeth, not the tape of the zipper. So the tape part will be facing the raw edge, and then that raw edge will fold into the inside of the skirt. And then sew down the top stitch across the berth and back up the other side. So now that your zipper is installed in this skirt, the only thing left to do is to hem it. So we're going to start at the side seam, and we're going to roll it up 1/2 inch. Just one time. One roll, 1/2 inch, and then sew it all the way around the skirt as close to the edge as possible. And you are all set. We have that zipper installed. We have a high waistband. It's short in the front and long in the back. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video. And I will see you again soon. Bye.